RTX 4060 or RX 7600, which is the better graphics card for 1080p gaming? In this video, we'll compare their performance across 40 games, as well as their specifications and features to find an answer to this question. Before we proceed further on this topic, I'd like to share my favorite place to purchase affordable Windows 10 keys that are upgradable to Windows 11 for free. That is cdkeyoffer.com, my longtime sponsor. They're currently hosting a New Year sale. Use the discount code iVadim to get a 25% discount, reducing the Windows 10 Pro price to just $16. You can then securely check out using PayPal or another preferred payment method. The key is delivered within seconds, allowing you to activate it immediately. Additionally, Microsoft Office 2019 and 2021 Pro are also on sale using the code iVadim. Take advantage of these offers during the ongoing New Year sale. Now back to our topic. In terms of specifications, the $300 RTX 4060 and the $270 RX 7600 are quite evenly matched. Both GPUs come with just 8GB of memory, which is less than ideal if you want to use your graphics card for the next 4 years or more. But for now, they will get the job done. The main difference is the price and power consumption. The RTX 4060 has a 115W TDP, while the RX 7600 is at 165 watts. However, a 550W power supply is recommended for both cards, so you can't really save any money there. In terms of performance, the RTX 4060 wins every time when ray tracing is enabled. It is actually viable to play some games with ray tracing enabled on this card. But keep in mind that ray tracing consumes additional video memory, so 8GB may not be enough to enable this feature in future games. But NVIDIA's DLSS resolution upscaling and frame generation technologies will help bypass some of the performance as well as memory capacity limitations of the RTX 4060 if you are willing to use them. In my opinion, we should use them. These NVIDIA technologies have matured nicely and are now producing good quality visual experience in games even at 1080p resolution. If you don't care about ray tracing, DLSS or frame generation and just want pure rasterization performance, then the RX 7600 is the better option. On average, across 40 games tested, it is just 2% slower than the RTX 4060 while being $30 cheaper. However, it is a good idea to have a look at the performance in games you'll play the most. For example, if you primarily play Fortnite or Apex Legends, then the RTX 4060 is the better choice, as it delivers 18% better performance in Fortnite and 5% in Apex Legends. On the other hand, the RX 7600 wins by 11% in Hogwarts Legacy, by 10% in F1 2023, and 5% in Cyberpunk 2077 and Hitman 3. In conclusion, there is no clear winner in this competition as both graphics cards have their strengths and weaknesses, and they are priced competitively against each other. Personally, I'm leaning more towards the RTX 4060 because NVIDIA's DLSS and frame generation are adding a lot of value. Unfortunately, currently AMD's alternatives to these technologies are not as good. But at the end of the day, both graphics cards are flawed because they have only 8GB of memory, which is a bare minimum for AAA 1080p gaming in 2024. You might even have to start reducing some graphics settings in some of the upcoming games, because they'll come with higher quality textures that require more than 8GB of memory to run the game smoothly. Luckily, there is an alternative that's launching on January 24th in the form of the $330 RX 7600 XT, equipped with 16GB of memory. In games, it is expected to perform slightly better than the RX 7600. We'll compare these three graphics cards when the review embargo is lifted later this month. Use links in the description below to buy your next graphics card to support my work. Without your support, I wouldn't be able to produce this content. Also, you'll make my day if you like the video and subscribe for more. If you want to ask me something or share your opinion, then I'll see you in the comments. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.